This northern pike, it has a ton of fish eggs in it, so I'm gonna try salvaging these, and I'm gonna make some caviar with it. These are northern pike eggs, essentially a caviar. I just got these eggs out of a northern pike I caught about a day ago. Actually, I took the eggs out today. The caviar, northern pike caviar, is on top of a Philadelphia cream cheese sandwich spread, and the cracker is New York style bagel crisps, roasted garlic flavored. And then I have a real Russian vodka. It's from Russia. It'll be the chaser. And if these caviar taste anything like they smell, they should be very similar to the Russian caviar I've had before, which is really good. I did the same combination, but the last time there was a egg salad instead of a cream cheese on the cracker. So I'm going to run an experiment here and actually do a taste test and give you a indication of whether I think it's is good or better than the Russian caviar. My northern pike caviar. Some Russian vodka as a chaser. So that was really pretty excellent. Really, honestly, two thumbs up, two thumbs up.